So there are different clients in the journey to cloud that need different applications on the cloud or on-prem to consume data from their upstream applications. These could be on the data center or public cloud or a private cloud. There's also the need for further processing, for further analytics, say for machine learning or for monitoring the system in near real time, etc. And basically the whole advantage of having this solution is to leverage the hybrid cloud environment for maintaining the cost, scalability, and speed. Here we're talking of a business use case where banks can be made competitive. Basically, the challenge is that they need to inform their clients in near real time on any of the transactions happening in their banking accounts. And the fintechs today are very proactive with their latest technologies and they are able to leverage the cloud very well. So the traditional banks need to scale up in order to provide the similar services that the fintechs provide. So the solution here is to have a data replication which transfers data in real time from the on-prem DB2 solution to the cloud. And then we have a Kafka platform from where the different downstream applications can consume the data for further processing. So basic benefit here includes that data is readily available in near real time to the target applications for further processing. Coming to the technical architecture, so here to the left we see the DB2 database on a Windows environment. The logs are enabled and the data is captured by the change data capture agent for DB2. And we also have a Windows console for IBM InfoSphere data replicator change data capture. And then it is finally fed to the CDC for Kafka. And to the right side, we have the Kafka schema registry, Zookeeper, and the Kafka topics and partitions, which is used by the downstream applications to consume the data. Here we have the demo where we have 6 records on a source DB2 table. This is the source database. We are just showing its connections here. Similarly, we have a target, which is the Kafka on Linux VM on the cloud. So here we are seeing Kafka Linux, the connections there. We go to the configuration tab of the InfoSphere data replication, and here we can see how it is configured with Zookeeper and schema registry. The connection details are shown here. Next we go and try to do the mirroring between source, which is the DB2 on-prem, and the target, which is Linux Kafka on the cloud. So once we click on the continuous mirroring, the process starts. So here you see the refresh happening. So those 6 records got transferred over in that time. And then this is mirroring wherein any change will now be automatically captured on the target. So here we look at the logs. So we can see that the 6 records from the loan details table was transferred. Next we go and see the same on the target side, which is the Kafka. So here we see the 6 records have flown over, the 6 loan details are visible on the target side. Next what we do is we try to insert a record onto the source systems. So we inserted a loan and we look at the Kafka side. So at the bottom you see whatever we inserted, that inserting new record for CDC test is visible. Similarly, we can delete a record as well. So we ran a delete script right now. So loan 1122 has been deleted. So we don't see it listed here when you do a select on this table with the 6 records. Next we come to the Kafka side, and here to the bottom you see that all the records have been deleted. So in this way we are able to carry out change data capture in near real time between different sources and implement the same in a hybrid cloud environment. Thank you very much.